Okay, dear students, so we have started with the counting with numbers. We were counting numbers with the group of 10. 10-10 के bunch में या 10-10 के group में हम count कर रहे थे, right? इससे पहले आपको याद होगा, you must be remembering that in previous topic there was Malti. You can see this Malti who was making garlands. फूलों की माला बना रही थी. किस लिए? For what purpose? Because there was a wedding in her house. In her house there was a wedding. So what she did? She made garland of 10 flowers each. एक garland में, एक फूलों की माला में उसने 10 फूल लगाए. ठीक है? So we were counting in tens. 10-10 के ग्रुप में हम काउंट कर रहे थे. Okay, so if you remember, I taught you in class 1 that one bundle is equal to 10 sticks and 10 sticks is equal to one bundle. Okay, one bundle make 10 sticks. One bundle has 10 sticks and 10 sticks makes a bundle. So now today we'll see this Leela's story. Okay, so here if you can see, Leela, can you see all these pencils? How many are these? If you make a good guess, all these will be yours. तो ये mama है. If you can see this, there is a mama. She is asking her daughter. Here it is, Leela. She is asking that Leela, can you tell how many pencils are these? कितनी पेंसिल है? मम्मा ने पूछा लीला से. अब अगर उसने ऑलमोस्ट पास का जवाब दिया या बिल्कुल ठीक बताया तो ये सारी पेंसिल्स, all these pencils will be hers. मतलब लीला की हो जाएंगी अगर उसने ठीक जवाब दिया या उसके थोड़ा सा पास भी जवाब दिया. ठीक है? So let us see. So what she did, she saw that there are some bunch of pencils. See, this is a bunch, this is a bunch, this is also a bunch, this is also a bunch. But these are loose pencils, right? So once she count in a bunch, she found that there is only one packet has 10. Yes. One bundle has 10 pencils. तो एक बंडल में जब 10 pencils हैं तो उसने क्या किया? बंडल काउंट किए. She counted the bundles. So in a bundle 10 pencils are there. In a bundle 10 pencils are there. So 1, 2, ये दिख रहे हैं आपको? So what happened? She counted in groups of tens. In one packet, there are 10 pencils. So she counted the packets. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 packets. 6 packets of 10 pencil each. One packet has how many pencils? 10 pencils. And 10 pencils makes a packet. So how many packets are there? 6 packets. ये 6 packets आप याद रखना. Okay? तब तक मैम लूज पेंसिल्स काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many packets were there? 6 packets. And how many loose pencils were there? 4. So what is the total number of pencils? कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं? हमें 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ऐसे एक एक करके काउंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. तो हम क्या करते हैं? 10 के बंडल्स में काउंट करेंगे. सो 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. तो 60 पेंसिल्स हो गई 6 बंडल्स में. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 60 and 4 pencils makes 64 pencils. 60 and 4 loose pencils make 64 pencils. तो अभी आपको समझ में आया ये जो रैक में है कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं? 64. अगर लीला ने इसी तरह से काउंट किया होगा तो पेंसिल्स उसकी होंगी. अब अगर आपने भी ठीक से काउंट किया होगा तो आपको भी पेंसिल्स मिल सकती हैं. यहां पर अब क्वेश्चन देखेंगे हम. See how many packets of 10 pencils? 10 पेंसिल्स के कितने पैकेट थे? If you remember, there were 6 पैकेट. 6 पैकेट थे. कितने पैकेट थे? 6 पैकेट थे. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 6 पैकेट्स. Here we will write 6 packets. Next question. How many pencils are outside the packet? पैकेट के बाहर कितनी पेंसिल्स थी? Let's see. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many pencils are outside the packet? 4. So what will be the answer for second question? 4 pencils. So altogether there are dash pencils. Altogether there are dash pencils. Altogether means total मिला के कितनी पेंसिल्स हुई? तो 60 पेंसिल्स यहाँ थी, 4 पेंसिल्स यहाँ थी. 60 and 4, that makes 64. That makes 64 pencils. Okay, so there are 64 pencils in total. Okay beta, so now you can see a worksheet is there. Okay, so what we will do, we have to count the number of beads on the abacus and we have to write the number in the tens and ones column. Okay, so here on the right side we have ones column and on the right side there is tens column. So how many beads are there in ones column? Let us see. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many beads in ones column? 4 beads. So we have written 4 in ones column. And how many beads are there in tens column? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So what we did? So what we will do? We will write 2 in tens column. Okay. Similarly, I will give you some questions in the form of worksheet. So this I will send in your WhatsApp group and you have to do it in your notebook.
Kanika ma'am, you are not audible.
So there will be some questions. Let us do one more question. This in ones column, there are 2 beads. So we will write 2 in ones column. And there are 3 beads in tens column. So we will write 3 in tens column. So what will be the number? 34. 34. Similarly, there are certain questions you will do in your notebook. This assignment I will be sending you in your WhatsApp group. I hope you understood. Now we can discuss. Till then, bye-bye.